This tutorial is a step-by-step guide to entering the official Green Card Lottery. To enter the official DV Lottery program, register on www.dvlottery.com. Start the application and complete all mandatory fields, such as your name, country of birth, and highest education. Please have a look at the info bubbles which help you with tricky questions. You will need a valid passport and a digital passport photo to enter the lottery. Uploading a biometric photo is very easy. Resize and rotate your photo until it fits the frame. Next, choose your marital status and the number of children, if any. You must list and upload photos of your married partner and any children. You can skip any of these steps, but you must complete them later before your application can be considered. Finally, choose between 3 service packages. Basic is the cheapest way to enter the lottery. Smart includes a plane ticket to the U.S. for all winners. VIP includes special counseling by immigration experts. Your green card application will then be reviewed and uploaded to the U.S. State Department. In late November, you will receive a certificate by email with a timestamp and official confirmation number. That's it. Now keep your fingers crossed. The confirmation number will be needed in May of next year to check if you are selected as a winner. Check your status also on www.dvlottery.com. And if you are lucky, welcome to America!